Welcome to Blowtech Engineers Private Limited, an ISO 9001-2015 and SSI registered company established in 1998. We manufacture and export world-class industrial fans, blowers, and provide complete solution for industrial ventilation systems for best working environment inside the factory premises. The complete ventilation system is designed on the basis of air changes and it differs according to the concerned industries. In this video, we present an explanation of how motorized roof exhaust fans and air washer unit work together to provide complete ventilation in a factory site. These are motorized roof exhaust fans fitted on the top of the roof. Now, let's understand its construction. These fans are incorporated of FRP base sheet of 1 meter into 2 meter, 1.1 kilowatt 3-phase electric motor, exhaust fan blades of high efficiency, MS powder coated safety guards at base and top, MS brackets for canopy, top canopy for rain and bird protection. These are air washer units fitted on the side walls of the factory. Now let's understand its construction. The air washer unit is of the size 1 meter into 1 meter. It has a polyplastic body and is incorporated with 1.1 kilowatt motor, fresh air supply fan, inbuilt recirculation water pump, 4 ways air filters of 20 micron. Now let's enter the production unit to understand how these two equipments work together to provide complete ventilation. Without proper air circulation, the air inside the manufacturing building becomes hot, humid and stale. These are the fresh air supply ducts with air distribution grills connected with the outlet of air washer unit to supply fresh, clean, cool, breathing air inside the production unit. This cold air then spreads in the interiors of the production unit. Now let's just focus on the roof to better understand the working principle of FRP based motorized roof exhaust fans. Due to the forced draft fresh air input through the ducts of air washer unit, the stale, humid and hot air inside rise up due to the principle that hot air is lighter in density. This air then gets accumulated in the upper regions of the manufacturing unit, thus rising the humidity and temperature inside the working area. When powered roof exhaust fans are installed, they pull this hot air out of the production unit through the roof, thus cooling down the building temperature. These fans mounted on the roof are the most effective fans to extract fume, heat, humidity, toxic gases and smoke from the working plant. These also create induced draft pressure inside the working premises and force more natural air to travel inside the factory. This lowers down the temperature by 4 to 6 degrees and provides effective ventilation at approx air changes of 15 to 25 per hour. This is the general formula for air changes. This arrangement of motorized roof exhaust fans and fresh air input from the air washer units play a key role for best effective working environment for any type of industry by providing healthy working atmosphere.